What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Palette, and today we'll be making Vietnamese lemongrass chicken. Today I'm giving you my take on a simple yet very delicious chicken dish that is called gà nuông sa in Vietnamese. Gà means chicken, nuông means grilled, and sa means lemongrass. Let's go ahead and prepare our ingredients. First off, we are going to marinate our chicken. We are going to combine garlic, red onions, lemongrass, palm sugar, fish sauce, and soy sauce. We are going to mix it until everything is fully incorporated and marinate it for 10 minutes. And after 10 minutes, we are now ready to bring the dish together. And right here we have a preheated pan with vegetable oil, and we're just going to simply saute our garlic, onions, and red chilies until fragrant. After about a minute, we are now going to add our marinated chicken one by one and sear both sides for about 3 to 4 minutes or until it releases its natural oil. Traditionally, this chicken should be grilled. And right here, because we're using a pan, we want to give it a nice dark color from searing to mimic a grilled effect on the meat. When our chicken is cooked both sides, we want to go ahead and add the remaining marinade to caramelize the chicken with the palm sugar that we added to it. We just want to give it a good mix for about a minute or so, and we're all set for plating. And right here, I prepared some sliced cucumbers and cherry tomatoes to go with it. And we're just simply going to serve it as it is. And this dish is also best served with rice. And there you have it, our Vietnamese lemongrass chicken. Serve and enjoy! Thank you for watching Palette, and I'll see you guys again for another episode.